Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you have blocked someone on Discord and now want to see the full list, do not worry, I will show you how to check it step by step. First, open the Discord app on your phone or PC. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap on the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for Content and Social. Tap on Content and Social to continue. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Here you will find an option called Blocked Accounts. Tap on Blocked Accounts. You will now see the complete list of users you have blocked. From this list, you can review all blocked profiles. If you want to unblock someone, tap on the Unblock option next to their name. Discord may ask you to confirm your password. Once confirmed, that user will be unblocked immediately. Remember, unblocking allows them to message you again. So make sure before removing someone from the blocked list. This is useful if you blocked someone by mistake, or if you want to manage your privacy settings better. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Discord tips and account fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.